If you are serious about making money and you are flat broke, you need to stop doing these things and do this. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, lately I've been seeing comments on Facebook and other social media platforms, and it's from people, looking into money making opportunities and ways to make money online. And I'm seeing them where they're commenting like, yo, I need something because I am flat broke, right? I'm looking at getting into this affiliate marketing because I am literally like, I have no money in my name, right? Like I have nothing, right? I'm broke. And I've been seeing this, I don't know why, I just been seeing it more and more. People are, looking for ways to make money online, but they are saying that they are absolutely broke. Now listen, if you broke, everybody got their own situation, right? There's, you gotta do what you gotta do. But if you are broke and you are commenting or you're watching videos about ways to make money that are not going to help you immediately, you are wasting your time. And if that didn't make sense, let me clarify it. If you are like down to your last dollar, right? You should not be looking at joining the latest, greatest MLM company, right? If you are like flat broke and you are desperate, you should not be looking at trying to purchase an affiliate marketing course that you think is going to teach you how to make all this money overnight, right? You should not, you should not be on a video looking at how to start your Shopify store if you got $5 in your bank account. And the problem is with a lot of people, they're doing things like that. They're legitimately broke or saying they broke, but they're commenting on network marketing opportunities and affiliate programs and looking at, Shopify, all these things. That's like, look, all these things I just talked about is legit. All these things can make you some decent money. Matter of fact, some damn good money. But none of these things are going to help you in the next 2 to 3 days, right? When it comes to like actually getting money in your hand, right? Now, technically affiliate marketing can, get you quick commissions, whatever, but that's not a guarantee, right? And the chances of that is slim, especially if you're broke and desperate. You're not even going to be able to come up with the proper strategy, right? Because everything's going to be desperate. You know what I mean? To the point where you're probably going to be on Facebook just begging people to click on your affiliate link. And that shit ain't going to work. So if you are really struggling right now and you want to earn some cash just to, help, keep the lights on or pay the rest of your rent or whatever it is, like there's other things that you should and could be doing. And the first thing, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you probably even heard of it, but have you done it? The first thing you might want to look at is donating plasma, straight up. Because I was just looking before I did this video, like how many times can you donate plasma in a month, right? And I looked up and it's basically like 6 to 8 times you can actually donate plasma. Now, yes, you got to do the research and find out where's your plasma center and how much they're paying. But let's just say on average, you get paid $50 for every plasma donation you give, right? Now, I know some places are like $75, $80, $60, whatever, but we'll just say 50. Right there, if you donate plasma twice a week, that's an extra $100 a week, extra $400 a month donating plasma. And that's actually a good cause, right? You actually doing something good, right? So right there, you flat broke, donate plasma. Go look into doing that straight up, because that money, you can get that, I believe, the same day or within 2 days or whatever after you donate. Then another thing you can do, which is not like as guaranteed as donating plasma, but you can, look around your house, ask your relative, your friend, your girlfriend, your kids, whatever, do they got things laying around that they don't use anymore or they don't want anymore? Because if they don't, put them on Facebook Marketplace for sale, or even put them on eBay. People still making money on eBay. A lot of people don't talk about it. I used to make money on eBay. I used to sell on eBay all the time years ago, right? And people still do that. But I know Facebook Marketplace is super popular and very, very easy. Literally, take your damn phone, like straight up. Let me find something. Let me see. Okay, see these headphones right here. All right, look. Hypothetically, I'm on my last dime. I could take a picture, take my phone, take a picture of these headphones. I'll take a couple. Snap, right? Post them up on Marketplace. You know what I'm saying? New headphones, new keyboard headphones, $5. $5. You know what I'm saying? Come pick it up, whatever, or drop off point, whatever the hell, right? What else you got? I'm being dumb again, but this thermal water bottle, keep shit cold, keep it hot, whatever, right? $3. I don't need it. Brand new. I'll wash it. It ain't new, but whatever, right? Sell them two things, that's $8, right? What else I got? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Massage thing. Massage pad. This is nice, all right? I don't use it no more. I actually use it. But say you don't use this. Nice massager thing. $10. Facebook Marketplace. I'm listening. All right, look at this. 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 Look. Damn it. Look at this. I actually got this. This is a Christmas gift. Look at this. Massage gun. Brand new. Right? I actually do got to use this shit. But say I wasn't. Say this was an old Christmas gift I ain't want. Bam. $10. Facebook Marketplace. Right? So look around. You know what I'm saying? Because it ain't guaranteed you're going to sell shit on Facebook Marketplace. But if you got something that's halfway decent and you make it at a ridiculously low price, you're probably going to sell some stuff. And you can list tons of stuff on Facebook Marketplace, right? So that's a way to get some fast money, because literally you can make money on Facebook Marketplace the same damn day, all right? And then last but not least, keeping it real, like, look for some jobs. You know what I'm saying? Like, that shit do get annoying when I see people like, I am flat broke as shit, right? And you see people like, well, are you working? No, I'm unemployed. That's why I ain't got no damn money, right? But I would start a Shopify store though. If I could just do that, I'd be good. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to work at 9 to 5, but I'll start this network marketing opportunity. You know, it's only $50 to join Live Good. It's only $50 to join Got Backup or a Nexus Snap, right? You know what I'm saying? You'll do all that supposedly, but you won't, put in for an hourly work from home job, because they're everywhere, right? That you can apply for a work from home job. Or damn all that, in your neighborhood, a lot of places is hiring. So, like, if you really, 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 really broke to the point where you're on the internet and you're commenting on make money online opportunities about how broke you are and that this shit better work because you're about to get evicted, this shit better work because your light's about to get turned off, your mindset all messed up, your priorities is all messed up. Because to be honest with you, a lot of people don't have a lot of money. A lot of people are not where they want to be financially. But keeping it all the way real, there is no reason why you should be absolutely flat, and I mean flat, broke.